Are you mowing the mud?
What's that? What's that?
That's plants growing, baby.
Where's it going?
Huh?
What's it doing?
They're growing. It rained last night, or it rained the other day, and now they...
Road?
Mm-hmm.
Until it's picking them. Tires are wet.
It's okay. We can wash the tires off when we're done.
What's your back?
Yeah. Give your lawnmower back. Uh-oh, he needs help, Rob. He needs help. There you go. Good job.
Wait, man. I see something pink.
What do you see?
A flower, a pink flower.
Oh, you do?
They made that for the bees?
Yeah, the bees like to go in there
They
and...
made that for the bees?
Right. Yeah.
The bees in there?
Yeah, and maybe the bees... Whee! There you go. You got your headphones on? Pretend? Good job. All right, come mow over here. Hey, there's a lot to mow over here. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, the plants are growing, baby. Yep. Let's go get some rest. Or hey, go mow the grass. Go ahead.